behind him. Dig out the dirt behind him.
Oh, you got the dirt behind him?
We know Josh.
And
Josh
beside.
got it. That's where he
Oh, there he is. There he is. I see him. Here, you got to come forward. Come forward. This way. This way.
All right, maybe if he grabs onto your neck again.
Grab the other one, Josh.
Oh, don't pull his arm out of the
Oh,
socket.
there he
No.
goes.
No.
I see your butt. I see your butt.
Yeah, you made him pee.
Hey, I see it coming. We got something. Is that him farting or
He's losing his trunks.
I see a bubble bath.
He's been born again.
Okay, here, let's pull him forward again for a good photo op.
Actually, get out of there. Come on, keep going. Push up. Come on, keep pushing.
Boy, you hear that suction sound?
Yeah.
He's sucking right down in it.
Come on, keep going. Keep going. He's dead. He's dead.
There he is. Give me a shot. Give me a photo.
He's wounded us.
He laughed so hard he tripped over the car.
There you go. Here you go, Randy.
I know, I got him.
Still
Oh,
got his foot stuck.
do you got your foot stuck still?
Yeah.
It probably went in a sinkhole. Oh, look, you're free.
You are born again.
All right, hey, look at me. What's the lesson learned?
Never let me bury him again.
Here, get a shot of him right here.
Don't trust your brother.
I'll tell you what, we could put Ethan in there now.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Good.